Hello again, and welcome to part 3. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2, I highly suggest you do. At the beginning of November 2019, all activity stopped. That and the fact that it was too cold to go record, especially when most of the recording is at night. Activity picked back up in June of 2020. During this time off I had a chance to think about this whole thing, and it gave me time to research some more on YouTube and Google. I began to believe that whatever I had been seeing must be able to cloak itself from how hard it was to catch on video or pictures. Another question I had was, where do they go during the day? Here I start off with day shots, and I'll tell you it's hard to get good daytime photos of the sky because of the lighting. I added some of my pictures in a video here to show you. Those triangle-shaped clouds I had been seeing intrigued me. I've drawn where I think I see triangle shapes hidden in the clouds. I played around in editing to try to bring out the triangles better. By eye I was seeing them a lot better, as these pictures and video don't do them no justice. But there are some of the examples I had in my folders, and as you can see I was trying different settings on my camera to take them too. I believe WTV they are cloaked and most likely see-through also. Some days the activity is heavier than others. There's a lot of examples of this on YouTube if you go do a cloaked triangle sky search. In this video you see what appear to be two of them just laying up there. On the ground level at night, from the pics I got and from what I seen, they seem to be the smaller drone types. In the sky I see them way bigger, all the way to huge triangles up there. In this next set of photos, they are photos taken continuously one after the other. Nighttime in the clouds. Here is one of the smaller drone triangle coming overhead as if to watch me. Notice how weird that sky is. During my time from June 2020 to December 2020, I also kept on getting pictures and multiple pictures of the orbs aspect. Here I have some of the many examples I caught during this time. The orb part of this is the easiest to get on camera, as it seems to be almost always there 24/7. Also during this time I began to look at the plane aspect of this. Online I had seen what confirmed some of my sightings. I had been seeing lights in the sky that looked like stars, but they would be following me. And when I did stop driving or somewhere, I witnessed these fake stars start glowing bigger and shedding light, and then after a few seconds they would start coming towards me overhead, and soon they would have added one side green light blinking, then the right side red light blinking. Going from fake star to a plane, and then out of nowhere the plane sounds. I have only a poor example of this, but I'll play it in the next section. As more planes videos and pics overhead. Here's a 4-minute video of what was a star I was watching earlier, and as I thought it was starting to do its thing, I started recording. I'll let it play with sound, maybe you'll be able to catch the sound of the plane as it gets overhead. Notice in these two photos of a plane I took how the wingspan is not correct and this does not look like a normal plane. In these next two plane videos, notice how the blinking of the lights is different. In one of the videos the solid front light goes off and the blinking right side wing blinks and then goes to solid light. In this clip, from my place where I live out my window, there seems to be a fake star/plane that always goes to the same area. Where you see this plane the first time in the video is where it likes to hang around. And when I start watching she does a flyby way over to the right hand side and then no turn nothing, starts going left again and returns to its normal hangout spot. Here's another recent shot of a few months ago of another triangle drone / craft from my friend's house on the left-hand side along the tree lines. After that photo was taken we were in the beginning of December. As we were having a warm fall, soon after December started it got cold. And once again the activity seemed not to stop altogether but slow down to a crawl. By the beginning of March 2021 it picked back up, and so far I started recording again a little in March and more now at the present time. Just a few of the stranger pics I got during this time before this last section. In this last section, the first video is the night vision in bed with me at the cottage at Molago Lake in June of 2020. From bed on the second level I record orbs through the sliding doors of the balcony. Then the next video is from the night vision at the end of July 2020 from the beach at dusk. Using the night vision in its color mode. Hope you enjoyed these videos. Share, like, subscribe, and please feel free to comment. I like to have opinions on this. I leave you with the rest of these videos. I will be recording new footage if I can, and I will look forward to make more videos in the future. Bye.